हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 50 MCQs बेस्ड ऑन इंपॉर्टेंट लॉज, एक्ट्स एंड देयर ईयर्स फॉर UGC नेट कॉमर्स पेपर 2। सो जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चंस बढ़ेंगे डिफिकल्टी लेवल हाई होता रहेगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्विज एंड टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कितना आप स्कोर करते हैं इन दिस वीडियो। पहला क्वेश्चन, द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 रिप्लेस्ड विच अर्लियर एक्ट? ऑप्शंस हैं कंपनीज एक्ट 1956, Companies Act 1960, Companies Act 1949 or none. Correct answer option A, that is Companies Act 1956. In which year was SEBI given statutory powers? Options है 1988, 1991, 1992 or 1993. Correct answer option C, 1992. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 introduced which new body? Options हैं National Tribunal, option B Central Consumer Protection Authority, option C National Lok Adalat or option D GST Council. Correct answer option B Central Consumer Protection Authority, also known as CCPA. It was basically created for consumer rights and enforcement. FEMA was enacted in which year? FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. It was enacted in which year? Options are 1997, 1998, 1999 or year 2000. Correct answer है option C, that is 1999. Next question again FEMA पर based है. So FEMA replaced which act? FEMA replaced FERA, that is FERA. FERA को replace किया था FEMA ने because FERA was seen as rigid. Tell me in the comment section, FERA stands for? The Competition Act was passed in which year? Options are 1998, 2000, 2002 or 2005. Correct answer है option C, that is 2002. Basic purpose of Competition Act to promote fair competition. Which amendment established GST in India? Options हैं 101st Constitutional Amendment, option B 100th Amendment, option C 102nd Amendment or option D none. Correct answer option A. RTI, that is Right to Information Act, was passed in which year? Options हैं 2002, 4, 5 or 6. Correct answer is option C, that is 2005. It promotes transparency as well as citizen rights. Which year marks the introduction of SEBI Act? Option है year 2000, 2001, 2002 or 2003. Correct answer option C, 2002. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 was replaced in which year? Options हैं 2016, 2017, 2018 or 2019. Correct answer है option D, 2019, where laws updated regarding digital age consumer rights. When was the LLP Act enacted? Options हैं 2006, 7, 8 or 10. Correct answer option B, 2007. LLP Act 2007 introduced hybrid business structure as well. The Right to Education, that is RTE Act, was implemented in which year? Options are 2007, 8, 9 or 11. Correct answer is option C, that is 2009. The Trademarks Act is from which year? Options 1993, 1995, 1999 or year 2000. Correct answer option C, 1999. The Patent Amendment Act giving product patents was passed in options 1999, 2002, 2005 or 2008. Correct answer option C, 2005. The Information Technology Act came in which year? Options are 1998, 1999, 2000 or 2001. Correct answer is option C, that is year 2000, and it regulates electronic records and digital signatures. The Banking Regulation Act was enacted in options 1947, 1948, 1952 or 1960. Correct answer option B, that is 1948. Next question asking us the year for Negotiable Instruments Act. Options 1880, 1881, 1885 or 1890. Correct answer is option B, 1881. In which year was the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, also known as IBC, was introduced? Options हैं 2014, 2015, 2016 or 2017. Correct answer यहाँ पर है option C, 2016. Next question, year for Payment and Settlement Systems Act. Options 2002, 2005, 2007 or 2009. Correct answer option C 2007. The FRBM Act, that is Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management, was passed in options 2000, 2002, 2003 or 2005. Correct answer option B 2002. The first Companies Act of India was passed in which year? Options 1850, 1857, 1866 or 1881. Correct answer यहाँ पर है option C 1866. MRTP Act was enacted in which year? Options 1950, 1960, 1969 or 1975. Correct answer option C 1969. MRTP Act was replaced by options Consumer Act, FEMA, Competition Act or LLP Act. Correct answer is option C, Competition Act. The Companies Amendment Act strengthening CSR, that is Corporate Social Responsibility, came in which year? Options are 2013, 2014, 2015 or 2016. Correct answer is option B, 2014. In which year GST was introduced in India? Options हैं 2015, 2016, 2017 और 2018. Correct answer है option C 2017. We are halfway to the video. 25 questions हम complete कर चुके हैं. वीडियो में total 50 questions हैं. I hope you are getting many right. जो भी questions आपके गलत हैं, आप ठीक से attempt नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आपके answers जहाँ पर गलत हैं, just write down and learn those questions. फिर से quiz attempt कीजिए and see whether your scores improve or not. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act came in which year? Options 2008, 9, 10 or 12. Correct answer है option C 2010. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act, also known as PMLA, was passed in which year? Options 1999, 2002, 2003 or 2005. Correct answer है option B, that is 2002. MGNREGA was introduced in which year? Options 2003, 4, 5 or 6. Correct answer option C 2005. Factories Act was enacted in 1935, 1940, 1948 or 1950. Correct answer option C 1948. Minimum Wages Act came in which year? 1946, 1947, 1948 or 1952. Correct answer है option C, that is 1948. Industrial Disputes Act was passed in which year? Options given 1945, 1946, 1947 or 1948. Correct answer है option B, that is 1946. The Indian Contract Act was passed in which year? Options 1860, 1872, 1881 or 1890. Correct answer option B, that is 1872. See why I am speaking everything that is there on the screen? Because it is not necessary always that you need to be glued to the screen whenever you are revising your topics. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Just put your earphones on. Whether you are taking a walk, you can just revise your topics. जैसे हम लोग song सुनते हैं तो आप उसी तरीके से अपने topics भी revise कर सकते हैं, because I am speaking everything. So you get to hear the question, you get to hear the options. You can select your correct option in your mind and you can cross check when I speak the correct answer. So that will help you a lot in revising. The Partnership Act came in which year? Options 1920, 1930, 1935 or 1940. Correct answer is option B, that is 1930. The Sale of Goods Act was enacted in which year? Options 1920, 1925, 1930 or 1935. Correct answer option C, 1930. The Indian Evidence Act is from options 1850, 1860, 1872 or 1880. Correct answer is option C, that is 1872. The Transfer of Property Act was enacted in options 1872, 1875, 1882 or 1890. Correct answer option C, 1882. The Companies Amendment Act, that is CSR Penalty Act, came in which year? 2018, 2019, 2020 or 2021? Correct answer है option B, 2019. It introduced CSR non-compliance penalties. Benami Transactions Act was updated in which year? 2014, 2015, 2016 or 2017? Correct answer option B, 2015. The Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, was established in which year? Options हमें यहाँ पर given है 2003, 7, 9 और 10. Correct answer है option B, 2007. The MSME Development Act came in which year? 2004, 5, 6 or 7? Correct answer है option C, that is 2006. The SICA, that is Sikh Industries Act, was passed in which year? 1983, 1984, 1985 or 1986? Correct answer यहाँ पर है option A, 1983, and it aimed at revival of Sikh units. Arbitration and Conciliation Act is from options 1992, 1994, 1996 or year 2000? Correct answer है option C, that is 1996. The Payment of Bonus Act was enacted in which year? Options 1960, 1962, 1965 or 1970? Correct answer is option C, 1965. The Payment of Gratuity Act was passed in which year? 1969, 1970, 1972 or 1974? Correct answer है option C, 1972. The Trade Union Act came in which year? Options 1920, 1922, 1926 or 1930? Correct answer है option C, 1926. The Companies Auditors Report Order 2020 replaced options 2012, 16, 17 or 14? Correct answer is option B, 2016. GST Compensation Act was passed in which year? Is it 2015, 2016, 2017 or 2018? Correct answer है option B, 2016. The Essential Commodities Act came in which year? Is it 1950, 52, 55 or 60? Correct answer यहाँ पर है option C, 1955. The new companies rule for CSR reporting were issued in which year? Is it 2020, 2021, 2019 or 2018? Correct answer है option A, that is 2020. Last question for today's video. The Banking Ombudsman Scheme was introduced in which year? 1992, 1993, 1997 or 1999? Correct answer है option B, that is 1993. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video that will be posted 7 p.m. tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.